Jaden, can I see? Jaden, can I see? Sige nga, actions. Go.
Desiderata. Go placidly amid the noise and haste, and remember what peace there may be in silence.
Ganun na yung go mo. Hindi na yung ganon. Ganon na lang. Walk na lang din, okay? Go placidly amid the noise. Sa ears.
Amid the noise
in the haze.
And
remember what peace there may be in silence. Ano yung next? Ano yung next? Turuan mo si Ma'am po.
Remember, I said just up to there.
Sit down. As far as possible without surrender. Again, as far, right muna. As far as possible without surrender. Be on good terms with all persons. Be on good terms with all persons. Speak
Your truth quietly
and clearly. Ito muna. Speak your truth quietly and clearly. And listen to others. Even to the dull. And ignorant. They too have their story. Hindi. They too have their story. Kasi kunwari, book. They too have their story. Si Ma'am muna As far as possible without surrender.
Kasi malayo ka.
Be on good terms with all persons. Speak your truth quietly and clearly. And listen to others, even to the dull and ignorant. They too have their story. When I do this, from the top, okay?